It's been a turbulent couple of weeks in the crypto space, and I've received a lot of comments recently asking to update you on how Stoic has performed throughout this market crash. So that's exactly what I'm going to do today, as well as tell you about some changes Stoic have made to their strategy, which I'll get to at the end, so make sure you stick around for that. Now, a couple of things before we get started. If you are new here and not sure what Stoic is, then it's just an automated crypto trading bot which you give money and then it trades for you. And around 1 month ago, I put in $1,000 to see how it would do. Second thing to mention, got a new hoodie. I kind of blend into the sofa, so that's not great. But other than that, is it a yay or a nay? Tell me in the comments. And if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you're feeling generous, like the video as well. Just in case you weren't aware, over the past couple of weeks, the crypto market has been hit hard due to a couple of factors. Namely, concerns about climate change, some Elon Musk tweets, as well as China really clamping down on cryptocurrency. This all led to Bitcoin dropping by about 40% from its all-time highs, as well as the whole crypto market cap reducing by 800 billion. Now that is quite a bit of money. The effect of all this has trickled down into the altcoins, which is an issue for Stoic, as that is what they trade. Now we'll see how my Stoic has done since my last video just over a week ago, which I think was just before the crash. But sadly, in order to access this part of the video, you do have to be subscribed. You subscribed? Awesome, let's carry on. So it's been exactly 1 month since I started investing into Stoic and around a week since my last update video. In that update video, I had made around 6%, which I was very happy with. That led my balance to be around $1,060. It is now just $988. So this is a pretty noticeable decrease, and it's actually left me in the red. So there you have it, Stoic is not in fact invincible. However, I wasn't expecting it to be. I think some people get the wrong impression about Stoic, and it's not some miraculous hero trading bot that just makes you immune to losses. It's just trying to beat the market and then lose slightly less than the market. And in this case, it's done exactly that. The rest of the market has done 20+%, maybe more, whereas my Stoic account's probably only dropped by about 10-15%, and currently I'm only 2% in the red from my initial investment. One thing I noticed though was that the Stoic chart seemed to lag quite a bit for when the crash and the dip happened. So I checked it when the market first started heading downhill, and my balance remained around the same, around that $1,060. However, a couple of days after the crash happened, then I started to see it in the chart and started to see my numbers decrease. This doesn't really change anything, but I just thought it was worth mentioning. I think one of the main reasons that my portfolio really didn't decrease that much in value was because I had around 80% of my capital in USDT, a stable coin. So this means that only 20% of my portfolio was actually affected by the crash. So if I had a larger percentage invested, I've no doubt I would have felt this crash a lot more. Despite this dip, I'm not worried at all. Stoic's made it very clear, they've sent out some messages as well, saying this is a long-term strategy. They're not trying to do short-term rewards, they're in it for the long game. Stoic even sent out an article reminding everybody about their strategy and how it works, which I think was a really nice touch. And I'm going to go over some of the main points of it now. So firstly, it says that its main goal is really just to try and beat the crypto market. So just like with regular stocks, you're kind of aiming to beat the S&P 500. Stoic here is just trying to beat the crypto market as a whole. It says that when the market as a whole is going up, Stoic should increase faster. And when the whole market is decreasing or correcting, then Stoic should lose less. This is due to the risk management strategies as well as the hedging strategies that you can use. It also mentions that if a correction is prolonged, then it doesn't anticipate that it will make profit. However, what it does say it will do is that it will maintain your balance and try and rebalance the portfolio so that you're well prepared for when the eventual rebound does come. It goes on to remind us that Stoic is just like any other investment. Your capital, your money is at risk, so you have to be comfortable with that. Don't take Stoic as some safety net, although if their strategy is right, and as it says, it's actually safer than investing in the general crypto market, it still does not guarantee returns, so please be aware of that before you put any of your money into it. A key thing that this article mentions is that they've reduced their hedging strategy from 50%, so keeping 50% of your money in USDT, to 0%. So that's interesting. I think they're trying to take advantage of the current dip, scoop up some deals, get the low prices now so they can make more money in the future. However, I'm not sure I entirely want to go to 0% hedging, so I am going to manually set my hedging strategy to 30% for the time being. The reason I'm going to do this is A, because I want to have at least some money kept in USDT for a bit of a safety buffer, but I do want to try and take advantage of this market dip where prices are lower. I do anticipate that I will change it back to dynamic, perhaps in a couple of weeks, couple of months, whenever prices seem to recover. So we will see what changes this actually makes to the portfolio in the coming weeks and months. Unless something crazy happens, I probably won't do another update for maybe 2 weeks, and then another one in a month. So if you are liking this Stoic content, then be sure to subscribe. It lets me know that you're liking it, and so I'll make more videos. Also remember to like the video, as it means you'll be recommended similar content. It helps both of us out. Also, thank you so much for 300 subscribers, and thank you to everyone who's commented in my previous videos. I really like hearing about your guys' experience of Stoic, and keep leaving these comments, as I love engaging with you as well. So that's going to be all for today, guys. So until next time, have a good day.